The Airdog Pro is a large air purifier with a range of innovative options, unique filtration technology, and washable filters. Designed for rooms up to 570 square feet, this device fits perfectly into spaces such as a living room or a large bedroom. This review will present the results of all the tests we have carried out on the Airdog Pro air purifier. But before we get started, press the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Before you start the Airdog Pro, you need to make specific preparations. Once you have unpacked the device and peeled off all the protective strips from the device, you need to prepare the collecting plates. Remove the collecting plates filter packaging, peel off the protective films, and insert it into the Airdog Pro in the space provided for this filter. Once you have done all of the above, place the Airdog Pro in the desired location, plug it in, and switch it on. The Airdog Pro is a rectangular air purifier with outstanding build quality and high-quality plastic. It features a simple and minimalistic design. It's available in white, however the top of the device is black. There's a display, indicators, a control button, and a motion sensor in the top right-hand corner. We like that the designers have thought of almost everything, so the Airdog Pro has slots for carrying the device from the side, which is commendable, mainly because this air purifier is not lightweight. All in all, this is a stylish air purifier that fits into almost any ambiance. The operating panel is located at the top of the device. In the middle is a screen that displays several different pieces of information, such as the current working mode, the current AQI, a cleaning reminder, and notifications of any faults in the device. There are 4 indicators around the screen: Wi-Fi, auto mode, child lock, and power. A power button on the left-hand side is used to switch the device on and off. Switch modes and set Wi-Fi. Above the screen is a motion sensor. For more information on all the Airdog Pro features, visit airpurifierfirst.com. The Airdog Pro is rectangular in shape. The air intakes are located on the underside, spaced on all sides except the front. When the Airdog Pro pulls in air through these openings, it's filtered and exits through the grills at the top and through the gaps under the support handles. The advanced smart options are really impressive. One of these options is the air quality sensor installed on the back of the unit. With that sensor, the Airdog Pro monitors the current air quality in the room and shares data with other options on the device. Thus, the current air quality is displayed on the screen as an AQI value. In addition, the LED indicators on the underside of the device light up in different colors depending on the current air quality, and if desired, the current air quality can be read on smart apps. Additionally, if in automatic mode, the Airdog Pro changes operating mode depending on the current air quality in the room. In addition to the air quality sensor, the Airdog Pro also uses a smart app available for Android and iOS smartphones. Connecting the Airdog to the smart app is not necessary, but it does open up some additional options that are only available in the app. Displaying the current air quality, remote control of the device from any location, and some other settings are just some of the options. The automation settings caught our attention the most, which opened up many possibilities for this air purifier. TPA technology is the basis of the innovative filtration used in the Airdog Pro air purifier. The Airdog Pro uses a 4-stage filtration system consisting of a pre-filter, generating electrode, collecting plates, and carbon filter. The first filtration stage is the pre-filter, designed to trap larger particles like hair, dander, and large dust particles. The second stage of filtration is the generating electrode, which essentially kills bacteria and microbes. The third stage of filtration is the collecting plates, which basically collects all harmful particles. The collecting plates act as an ion filter, which attracts all the particles like a magnet and sticks them to the plates. The final stage of filtration is the activated carbon filter, consisting of carbon pellets. The Airdog Pro uses high-quality, very efficient filters, and you won't believe how much dust accumulates on the collecting plates after just 1 day of use. Detailed information on filtration can be found at airpurifierfirst.com. The Airdog Pro uses washable filters that do not need replacement. Occasional cleaning is enough. Collecting plates get dirty very quickly and require regular maintenance. When the auto mode indicator lights red, this is a sign that you need to clean the collection plates. The cleaning procedure for the collection plates is straightforward. Once you have removed this filter from the device, you need to disassemble it and put it in the dishwasher or wash it by hand. Once all the parts have dried well, reassemble the collection plates and return them to the device. When cleaning the Airdog Pro air purifier, you can also use the cleaning brush supplied with the machine. The Airdog Pro uses 4 different operating modes plus an additional sleep mode. The great advantage of devices with several different fan speeds is that users will find it easier to choose the speed that best suits their needs. At first speed, the Airdog Pro produces 45.4 dBA of sound. At second speed, 49.1 dBA. At third speed, 55.4 dBA. While at the fourth speed, it produces 64.3 dBA of sound. In addition to these speeds, the Airdog also has a sleep mode that is slightly louder than expected and produces a sound of around 44.1 dBA. In short, although it's somewhat louder at some speeds, the Airdog Pro is overall a very quiet device considering the very high airflow it produces. What positively surprised us was that the needed power for maximum performance of the Airdog Pro air purifier is only 65 watts. The power of the Airdog's engine is considerably lower when comparing this device with some competing devices. At first speed, it needs only 16.5 watts. In contrast, sleep mode needs 13.5 watts. If you were to leave the Airdog Pro running 24 hours a day every day for 1 month at the maximum speed, your electricity bill would increase by about $5.60. Since the Airdog Pro has no other costs, we can conclude that this device is very cheap to maintain. The Airdog Pro is a very large air purifier with a huge airflow, covering rooms up to 570 square feet. The device performed exceptionally in all the tests we did. It also showed that it performs very well in neutralizing odors. In the first test, in a room of 320 square feet, which is less than the recommended dimensions, the Airdog Pro improved air quality by an impressive 96% in 60 minutes at maximum speed. In the second test, in a 560 square foot room, this air purifier improved the air quality by approximately 89% in 60 minutes, which is an acceptable result. Overall, the Airdog's innovative filtration technology proved to be very effective. We placed the Airdog Pro in a glass box, which we then filled with smoke. Take a look at how long it takes the Airdog to clear all the smoke from the box. In summary, the Airdog Pro is a fantastic air purifier that has exceeded our expectations in many tests. It's an innovative air purifier that uses washable filters combined with an ionizer, which are undoubtedly responsible for the excellent performance of this air purifier. It's also a smart air purifier equipped with many options, easy to maintain, and our absolute recommendation for a best buy. See the detailed review at airpurifierfirst.com. All links can be found in the video description. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and click subscribe. That's it for now.